In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on Messenger. By the end, you'll be able to take any web page or video link and send it to someone quickly and confidently. We'll keep things simple and clear, moving from getting your link ready to opening your chat to placing the link where it belongs and finally sending it off. First, copy the link you want to share. If you're on a computer, go to the page you want to share and click once in the browser's address bar to highlight the full web address. Then copy it using the keyboard shortcut or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. On a phone or tablet, you can usually copy the link by tapping the address bar and selecting Copy, or by tapping a share icon on the page and choosing Copy Link. Take a second to make sure you've captured the complete address, especially if it's long or has a question mark with extra characters at the end. A quick glance avoids sending a broken or partial link. Next, open a chat on Messenger. Launch the Messenger app on your phone or open it in your web browser. Navigate to the conversation where you want to share the link. This can be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation, whichever makes sense for your message. Make sure you're in the right chat thread so the link reaches the intended people. If you use multiple profiles or pages, double-check you're on the correct account before proceeding. Now paste the link into the message box. Click or tap inside the message field so the typing cursor appears, then paste what you copied. On a computer, use the paste shortcut or right-click and choose Paste. On mobile, press and hold in the message field and select Paste. Give the app a moment. Many times, Messenger automatically generates a preview with a title and thumbnail. If you see extra spaces or duplicate text, tidy it up so the message looks clean and clear. Finally, send the message. On desktop, press Enter to send. On mobile, tap the send arrow to deliver your link. You should see your message appear in the conversation almost immediately. If a preview is generated, that's a helpful confirmation that the link is recognized. For peace of mind, you can tap the link yourself to confirm it opens correctly in your browser. That's it. Copy the link, open your Messenger chat, paste it into the message box and send. With these basics, you can share articles, videos, files, or any web page in seconds.